So in the problem, it gave us that in the first week he runs 16 minutes. So from the first week's going to be our first term. So A1 equals 16 minutes. And it said every week it would increase by five. He would increase his run by 5 minutes. So since it's an arithmetic sequence, um, d d will be 5, and our a sub n is 1. It equals 120 minutes. It was 2 hours, but we have to convert it to minutes, so everything everything has the same units, so it could be easier to solve. And we're looking for n. So the formula first, it asks to find the general term. So we have to use a sub n equals a sub 1 plus parentheses n minus 1 times d. So we plug in the numbers that we have. So a sub n equals 16 plus n minus 1 times 5. So now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the 5. So it'll be a sub n equals 16 plus 5 n minus 5. So our general term is going to end up to be a sub n equals 5n plus 11. So to find a certain number of weeks, so now that we have our general term, we can just plug in a sub n equals 120 to here, and from there we just do a simple one-step equation to find the week that he'll reach that number. So 120 equals 5n plus 11. So subtract 11 on both sides. 109 equals 5n, and dividing this, n equals 21.8. And since we just can't leave it as a decimal, we're going to have to round it to the nearest whole number. So at the end, our final answer is going to be n equals 28. So it's going to take them 28 weeks to reach to 2 hours.